nebeneinander zu hängen. Für mich kommt das so vor, dass du eben auch zeigst, wer sie nebeneinander entstanden sind. Oder war das anders? Ansichten von Bern werden Kunstwerke durch das Anschauen abgenutzt. Und wegen die Regeln, die du dir selber auferlegst.
We're in the Kunstmuseum Bern and we're very proud to present an important Swiss artist to you, Jean-Frédéric Schnyder, born in 1945 in Basel, but he was a fixture in the Bern scene in the 60s and 70s, where at the tender age of 24 he was already included in the famous exhibition When Attitude Becomes Form by Harald Szeemann. That was in itself very astonishing because Jean-Frédéric Schnyder started out as a photographer and he approached art in an autodidactic way. But with his first works, he already reached the core of the discussions about art in the 60s and 70s of after Duchamp, how can you do art with non-artistic materials, with a non-artistic approach? So he was quite successful at a young age. But then, again, he changed his mind because he wanted to become a painter. And what we can offer you here is to see what he did in the years between 67 and 85, how he approached painting, because he already did it in a very systematic way, like his conceptual background made him do, but also in a very handicraft way. He loves painting, he loves color, he loves everything surrounding the material, the easel, the brushes, the brushwork, and he's at the same time somebody who's very direct material approach as he is a very conceptual thinking artist. And the most astonishing thing is that his works are as fresh as they must have been when they were done, and this for me is his true legacy. That he's an artist who kept for himself the freedom to decide for each and every unique work to find an own form, an own style, and by doing that he challenged the conventions that were very strict then as they are today. So if you're up to a fascinating meeting up with such an exciting artist, then this is the exhibition for you.